Mr. Speaker, is it in order for the future of Western Kenya and the future of Kakamega County, Senator Cleophas Malala, the former deputy minority leader, to say, is it in order to say that BBI brought prosperity, unity and peace, and including economic prosperity, then go ahead and lament that there is nothing that is happening in Western Kenya? Why is he having double speak? And yet he's saying the handshake has promoted peace, has promoted unity, has promoted development. Is it in order for Senator Cleophas Malala to double speak, to speak from both sides of his mouth on this issue? He should either tell us he should not become a hermaphrodite, Mr. Speaker, by saying he's supporting the BBI, then he goes ahead and also bashes it. He's giving us a kiss of Judas, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Malala, I know you are equal to the task. In terms of language, you can respond to.
Mr. Speaker, I'm just speaking to you from my father, Senator Tangula, who speaks his mind and votes otherwise, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I wonder why some people call themselves learned friends, Mr. Speaker. We are in this house, Mr. Speaker,
Senator,
elected by the...
Senator, don't impute improper motive on a colleague.
Mr. Speaker, I was elected in this house by the people of Kakamega through a political party. Even when it comes to voting on the floor of this house, we are whipped based on our political parties. And therefore, it is not a crime for me to come and make submissions and elaborate the position of my party. I am a member of ANC, and I will still remain a member of ANC.
Senator Cherargei, what's your intervention?
Mr. Speaker, since I've settled down, I remember, Mr. Speaker, you have ruled before that we should desist bringing party issues to the floor of the House. And on many occasions, you have ruled us out of order when we have raised issues based on party issues. So is Senator Malala in order to bring party issues before the floor of the House? Yes, she should be just debating on the issues that concerns the constitutional amendment, Mr. Speaker.
Order, Senators. I think let us not divert attention. It is not bad from making his views and occasionally referring to his party, which brought him here, but it should not overemphasize the aspect of the party. Okay, proceed. What is your point of intervention, Senator Murkomen?
I agree and sympathize with your position, Mr. Speaker. Only that, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, only to, I don't know if my friend Senator Malala is in order to spend a lot of time praising ANC of late, Mr. Speaker. It's a phenomenon that has come in the last, 6 months, Mr. Speaker. Yet, Mr. Speaker, in the past, it was more focused on most of the time talking about NASA or ODM. Mr. Speaker, if he can just focus on the issues, it will save him a lot of comparison, Mr. Speaker, from his past life.
Honorable Senators, you know, people have different ways of surviving. So, so Senator Malala is surviving. He knows what he's doing. So let us allow him to proceed. Senator Malala.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, if you realize that most of these members who are uneasy with me taking a party position do not have a definite political party at the moment, Mr. Speaker. That is why they are envious, Mr. Speaker.